Good day everyone. So for today's video, we are going to tackle about interest between dates. But before that, we will unlock terms first, or we will give definition to the terms which can be used as we go along with our discussion. So first we have ordinary interest. So ordinary interest is calculated on the basis of a 360-day a year or a 30-day per month, while exact interest is calculated on a 365-day a year. Next, we have actual time. So what is actual time? It is the time of a loan or investment that is obtained by counting the actual number of days between the origin date and the maturity value. Or in other words, actual time is the real time, while approximate time on the same manner as the actual time, but on the assumption that each month has 30 days. So, we will have an illustrative examples to further elaborate the discussion. So we have find the interest using the four methods on 8,000 pesos at 11.5% from August 2, 2006 to November 27, 2006. So, we will going to find first the time. So, we are going to find the approximate time first. So, we will have November 27, 2006 here and the August minus the August to 2006. So we will going to subtract 27 minus 2, we have 25, 11 minus 8, we have 3. So 2006 minus 2006 is 0. So we will have 3, we will going to multiply 3 by 30 since it is approximate time. So 3 times 30 equals 90, and we will going to add the 25. So 90 plus 25 equals 115 days. So 115 days, that will be our approximate time. So now we will going to proceed to the actual time. So from January 1, 2006 to November 27, 2006, we have 331 days. Then from January 1, 2006 to August 2, 2006, we have 214 days. So we will going to subtract 331 from 214 and we will come up with 117 days. So that will be our actual time. So now we are going to proceed in solving the ordinary interest using actual time. So the formula for this is principal times rate times time. So our principal is 8,000 pesos times rate, which is 11.5% or 0.115 times 117 since it is actual time. Divide 365 because we are using the actual time or the number of days in a year, which is 365. So our answer is 299 pesos. So now let's proceed to ordinary interest using approximate time. So our principal is 8,000 times the rate, which is 0.115, times 115, which is the approximate time, divide 360 since it is approximate. So our answer will be 293 pesos. So next we have exact interest using actual time. So our principal is 8,000 multiplied with the rate, which is 0.115, times 117 days because it is actual time, and we are going to divide it by 365. So our answer is 294 pesos. So now let's have exact interest using approximate time. So our principal, we have 8,000 multiplied by the rate, which is 0.115, times 115 or 115 days since it is approximate, divide by 360 equals 289 pesos. So let's have another example to further elaborate the discussion or to further understand the lesson. So we have, find the interest on 12,000 at 9 and 7/8% from November 20, 2007 to April 6, 2008 using the four methods. So first thing to do, we have to get the approximate time and the actual time. So let's have April 6, 2008 minus the November 20, 2007. So since we can't divide 6 to 20, so we are going to borrow from the 4. So we have 30. We come up with 30 because it is approximate time. So 30 plus 6 below, so we come up with 36. So 36 minus 20, we have 16. Then, since we borrow, so it will become 3. So since we can't divide 3 by 11, so we are going to borrow again here in 2008. So 2008 here will become 2007, and our 3 here will become 12 since there is 12 months in a year. So 12 plus 3 here, so we have 15. So 15 minus 11, we have 4. Then 2007 minus 2007 is 0. So 4. We will going to multiply 4 by 30. So 4 times 30 equals 120, and we will going to add 16. So 120 plus 16 equals 136 days. Now, let's proceed to the actual time. So from January 1, 2007 to November 20, 2007, we have 324 days. Then, from January 1, 2007 to December 31, 2007, we have 365 days. So 324 divide by minus 365, so we have the difference, which is 41. So from December 31, 2007 to April 6, 2008, so we have 96 days. So we were going to add 41 plus 96, which is equal to 137 days. So our actual time will be 137 days. Now let's proceed to the solution. So ordinary interest using actual time, we have our principal 12,000 times the rate, which is 9.7/8% or 0.09875 times the time, which is 137. Since it is actual, divide 360, which is equal to 450.96. Then let's proceed to ordinary interest using approximate time. So we have our principal, which is 12,000 times the rate, which is 0.09875 times the time, which is 136 because it is approximate, divided by 30, it equals 447.67 pesos. Then we will proceed to the exact interest using actual time. So we have our principal 12,000 times the rate 0.09875 times the time 137 because it is actual time, divided by 36 since it is actual time. So the answer is 444.78 pesos. Then we will proceed to exact interest using approximate time. We have 12,000 times the rate, which is 0.09875 times 136, which is the approximate time, divided by 365. Okay, so our answer will be 441.53. So, do you understand our lesson? So, thank you for watching and God bless everyone.